No. Do you want a jury trial? We'll give you one today. We have a jury outside.
This Boricua was charged with physically abusing her child, but it's not clear it actually happened, but she's facing 4 years in prison. Look at Judge Boyd here. Sun's out, guns out. Judge Boyd showing the bicep muscle.
State of Texas versus Anna Ramirez. Are you Miss Ramirez?
Well, hello.
Sentencing, you entered a plea. You applied for deferred adjudication.
Deferred adjudication is just another fancy term for probation.
According to the plea bargain agreement, punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison that the victim, which is one of the children, made an outcry at school of abuse while at home. R1 said that victim 2 was found to have a large welt on his left upper thigh as a result of being struck by his mother.
If we only knew that we can rat on our parents like this as kids, it would have been a lot easier.
It was discovered that victim 1 had bruising on both inner thighs and also had a burn mark to her right inner thigh that she said was from a steam iron.
Could this mom possibly be burning her kids with an iron?
When asked how she was injured, victim 1 said that she fell off her bike. R1 said that victim's injuries were not consistent with falling off a bike. R1 said that victim was asked how she got the burn mark. R1 stated that victim 1 stated that her mother told her to unplug and put away a still hot steam iron, and she accidentally dropped it on her leg, causing the stated burn.
Well, that's plausible.
Are you saying that you didn't cause any of these injuries to the children?
When I asked him in front of the caseworker what were they referring to, all he did was just lift the pants that he had on, and all you saw was notice was the bruise on his lower leg.
So are you saying you didn't do it?
And it doesn't sound like the kid is even saying the mom actually did it. Now, of course, it could be negligence in terms of telling a kid to handle a hot iron, but that wouldn't necessarily be intentional.
So if none of this is true, why did you enter a plea? Why not go to a jury trial?
Communication that we had with the children's attorney, he stated advices on responsibility.
No. Do you want a jury trial? We'll give you one today. We have a jury outside that'll be here at 1:30. You want a jury trial? That's either yes or no.
Now, this is some Texas justice. However, I do feel like Judge Boyd is pressuring this woman to say, hey, you stipulated to these facts. But now it seems like the judge is really pressing this woman to say, hey, either go to trial right now, which obviously she wouldn't be prepared for, and that would be unfair, or I'm going to base my decision on the facts that are in this document and not what you're saying. But to me, it sounds like there is a defense this woman has.
No.
The court is going to deny the application, find you guilty, and the court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison.
There's the old gavel, 4 years in the prison, and here comes the handcuffs.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to...
She is in shock, and I don't blame her in this situation. It doesn't seem like there's so much conclusive evidence that she intentionally harmed these kids.